Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's world, we have a big problem, but the big problem was in our daily lives. The problem is waste. A human produce many things that can be waste after it use. So the program that I want to make to solve the problem about waste is zero waste, zero worries. So what is zero waste? Zero waste is a lifestyle that aims to reduce waste production by recycling, minimizing consumption, and maximizing the use of item. So the meaning of recycling is like after you use maybe like plastic, you can process it again until it can make same product like plastic. There is a long process to make that thing. And then the second is minimizing consumption. By minimizing consumption, we can minimize our waste because we only use a little waste. So the effect is the waste is more a little. And then the third is maximizing the use of reuse of items. So with this action, we can reduce our waste with reuse our waste like plastic. Maybe you can use plastic for the normal one time, you can use it for 5 times. So it can minimize our waste in landfill. And then why this is important? So zero waste is important because it helps address several critical environment, economic, and health issues. So because many waste, there is a critical impact to environment. Like now we do against is like global warming because of many waste not controlled perfectly. And then the second is economic impact because many waste in landfill, the effect was so bad in that environment and that economic. And then with waste, it can be health issues. So because in waste there is bacterial that can make a virus, and that's danger for human's life. And to make environmental protection, what we can do is minimizing our waste consumption, and then we can plant trees to make our oxygen is good, and then we can cost savings. And then can we go zero waste? Absolutely. Zero waste is about habits and awareness. There are many ways to do it without completely changing your lifestyle. Okay, this is 5 principles of zero waste. The first is the first is refuse. So you have to refuse any kind of single-use item, like maybe straw, plastic straw that can use only one time, and then other kinds of waste like plastic and others. And then reduce, stop of single-use item. It seems like reuse, but it based on your awareness. And then reuse, find a way to use items instead of discharging them. Now you have to use any kind of items to make like maybe decoration and others, instead of throw it to the landfill or trash bag. The example is you use the plastic bottle to be a pot of your plants. And then the fourth is recycle items that you can use to create new materials. The example is maybe paper. So paper, after you use it and it's not gonna be functional again, you can collect it to maybe waste bank. So in the waste bank will send it to the recycle center, and the paper will produce until it can be a new paper again. So that's the recycle. And then the fifth is ROT, compost food scraps to enrich soil and reduce landfill waste. So this is what action if our waste is organic waste. Many of waste, actually especially in Indonesia, 54% waste is domination by organic waste. It's like maybe food and then and others. But instead of throw our food to the landfill or maybe recycle trash bin, we can use it to make our plant is more enrich and reduce and more good our soil. So you can just make your food in the dirt, and it can make your dirt is good. And you can start it from home, like use cloth shopping bags so you don't use plastic for shopping and others, and you can use like tote bag that's not single-use item. And then no plastic. We can use the alternative thing that can change plastic to our daily life. Like the first example, use tote bag for shopping instead of use plastic. And then the third is like I explained before, recycle organic waste into compost. Because if you not recycle your organic waste, it can be a negative effect on the landfill. Like there is an accident in Indonesia that many of the organic waste is going to methanol gas. So it can be an explosion in that landfill, and if there is explosion in landfill, it can be a danger to environment. And then recycle non-reusable items like plastic, paper, and others. Okay, and then this is the impact that we can make after we do that action, like recycle and then reuse, reduce, and others. And then the impact is reduce environmental impact, and then save our household expenses, and then protect family health. Okay, zero waste challenge. Zero waste initiative face several challenge, including lack of awareness among the public about the importance of reducing waste and adopting sustainable practice. Many individuals are also hindered by old habits and that are difficult to change, such as relying on single-use products or not prioritizing recycling. Additionally, limited access to recycling facilities in certain areas and make it challenging for people to properly dispose of material properly, further complicating effort to reduce waste and promote a zero waste lifestyle.